Classes and objects. Everything in Java is associated with classes and objects, along with its attributes and methods. For example, in real life, a car is an object. The car has attributes such as weight and color, and methods such as drive and brake. A class is like an object constructor or blueprint for creating objects. Um, Objects is the basic runtime entities of an object-oriented system. When a program is executed, the objects interact by sending message to one another. Each object contains data and code to manipulate the data. We can create object of class using the following syntax: class name and object name. To create a class, we use the keyword of class. We can name it whatever, like a public class, like a private class, or just class. We used class keyword definitely, and object is created by specifying the class name and followed by its object name and using the keyword new and again the class name, and that's all. Our object will be created after that. Class represent the definition of or type of object, and in Java, class can contain fields, constructors, and methods. This Java class represents a car in general. We have fields in our class as well as string type fields, model types, color types. It will be fields on attributes. We can put a value to it, or as well we can not if we want to, and we have constructors for our classes too. And within a constructor we can call and set the value for our fields that we provided before the constructor. While classes are translated during compile time, objects are created from classes at runtime. Objects of a class called instances, and we create to initialize them with constructors. Our class is marked public, which means we can use it at any package. Also, the constructor is public, which means we can create an object from this class inside any other object. Our fields are marked private, which means they are not accessible from our object directly, but we provide access to them through getters and setters. And we have components of classes. First, modifier. Class can be public or has default access like private, and we can have no modifier, and we use class keyword to create a class and class name. The name should begin with the initial letter. It's not the rule of Java, but mostly we do. And superclass, if we have any, the name of the class parents, and if any preceded by the keyword extends, class can only extend one parent. And interfaces, comma separated list of interfaces implemented by the class, if any preceded by the keyword implements. And the body, the class body is surrounded by braces, and we can have whatever we want in that class body: methods, constructor, attributes, and yeah.